Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Gamer 04 and welcome back to Agario. So here we go, you may see the time in the top right corner. That's, if you can see, that's my video time on how I've been on and doing an 8-minute video. Yeah, I want you got them starter pack. I don't want these that my friend cool. So now, oh yeah, I guess I'll buy a skin after this as well. How about so cool's in the house? Oh, it's laggy. So I hope he should buff it. Skins. I think the banana. Loading. Purchase complete. Get the banana. Yay. Big red banana. I probably spelled that wrong. Whatever. It's Vaseline red, but yeah. I'll just fly skin around looking soon, probably. And no, I don't want your ads, mate. No, I don't want that. Gario says you guys have been going. I made sure to subscribe to X-Panda Gaming. I just did a collaboration with them earlier on today. I was Riptide GP Renegade. It's his first time playing. You guys subscribe to him because he's doing a Let's Play on Riptide GP. Yeah, so go and check him out. And this game is super laggy. Is it that? Yeah. That's on the map. Oh, go, no! AG, new. Bigger banana. Gonna get revenge. Probably not gonna get revenge, it's too big. I'm not touching anything, I'm not on, that's good now. I really was not touching anything for them. Nothing at all. Yeah, the expanded game, Expanded game, just literally I was watching his latest Riptide GP video and he influenced me and motivated me to do another video for you guys today. There may be no videos tomorrow or the next day, guys. I'm sorry that it's not working. So a different game now. What game should I play now? I know. Gonna start with surfers. Yeah, so there may be no videos on Saturday or Sunday for me. So no videos tomorrow or the next day, maybe. I'm not 100% sure because my best friend is coming over for a sleepover. So yeah, so maybe no videos. Just let you know, guys. So if you're just waiting for a video to come out, just so you know about it. Also put in the comments as well. Play the Worldly Weekend, you can read that. Father's Friday. Oh yeah, this is Hack Battle if you didn't know. Swap. Boom, 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 boom. Jetpack, oh god, super fast. You get magnet, suppose magnet. Trixie, oh crap, save me. What the hell? I haven't played this in quite a while, so I'll probably be a little rusty and very rusty in camera. I just got to stay low, so it's constantly low. This does trip me out most of the time. And it's used to swiping down, and it's also got double jump, I think. If not, this is horrendous. This is horrendous. Good double jump, good. Double jump. It's just sorry about the garage change. It's too lag. Couldn't handle it. This is the lumberjack, by the way. Max upgraded. Your spray can jetpack. Well, I can't keep up with all this. Cannot keep it. Cannot keep up. And I'm an Aussie. Yes, be sure to subscribe to Xpanda Gaming. Also, be sure to subscribe to me. Really helps out, and I would greatly appreciate it. And it's a guy commented on my video earlier today. I'm sorry if you're watching this. I haven't gone subscribed to your channel yet because it hasn't popped up in my comments for some reason. Got the notification, but I can't see it in my comments. So when I can, I will go and subscribe to you. So don't worry about that. I'm sorry about that, dude. But I gotta wait for it to pop in the comments. I don't know why, but it's just weird. So I haven't forgot about you. I haven't ignored you or anything. That's like, no. I will make sure I subscribe to you. I'll try tomorrow morning. Or for me, tomorrow morning. I'm in Australia. Queensland. And I don't get that. So this is Stella. Stella is really useful. You don't have to swipe down. I can just constantly use guy and stuff. And that wasn't something I can go under. That was a barrier. And I have a minute right there. So just get 8 minutes. So I'll stop the video. Jump, double jump, oh crap, oh yes, forgot to ask that. So that's something that would really stuff you up at Stella. Just help me out so much. Double jump. Honestly, I think I might do a vlog tomorrow, you never know. Well, I don't know. Might do a vlog, not sure. Let's have a look. Come on. And get out there, and the hoverboard. I like the hoverboards in this, they're pretty cool. And yeah, this is the definitely last run. Once I draft this, no reviving. Dun 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 dun. Boom 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 boom. Boom, the Lazy Gamer 04. Yeah. Go be sure to subscribe, guys. Wait a minute. I'm not just gonna fail just for the end of the video. I'm not gonna pause it. Complete the run. Jump. Oh. Yeah. So this is the end of the video, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Nice to get this setting. Just think, I use this as openings. Like Facebook. Do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that's it. That of course is nice. That's it for the video today, guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and be sure to go subscribe to Xpanda Gaming. Give him some love. Go subscribe to him. Be sure to subscribe to me. Really helps out. Yep, so that's it. So I'll see you guys next video. Peace, guys. Peace.